For this DIY, I'm going to turn one of these little purple glasses. These are new. I found these with like the Mother's Day stuff at Dollar Tree, a little lidded cup. And then I chose one of the butterfly jar solar lights. I want to put that inside that beautiful purple glass. You're not going to be able to see the butterfly perfectly, but I think you'll be able to see it a little bit. And then to light up inside, I just want some greenery. So I'm going to use some Dollar Tree eucalyptus stem. I'm just going to cut it into individual pieces here. Can't be too tall to fit in here because I want to make room for the butterfly in there as well. And then we can add that little butterfly solar light to the top. And I'm going to DIY a lantern box with this using a couple supplies from the Dollar Tree. I think that looks pretty good. There's enough room there for my butterfly. I'm going to go ahead and attach this with some hot glue here around the top. I love these glasses. I think they're so pretty. And I thought this would look really pretty illuminated at night with that purple iridescent sheen it has. Now to cover the outside of my solar light, make it look a little bit better, I'm just going to take some burlap. This is one of the Dollar Tree burlap rolls, and I'm going to glue that around the black plastic on there because I think that looks a little bit cheap, just to give it a little bit more texture and fun. I just hot glued mine all the way around and then just cut off the excess. It's way too big. But that way I will get a perfect cut there along the top of my solar light. And this is the solar light part of the DIY. Now let's DIY an easy lantern. I have a wood stake from the Dollar General for $1, and I have 2 of the wood frames from the Dollar Tree. I just got 2 that were the same size that look like wood. And let me show y'all how I'm going to put this together. This is going to be a really easy lantern. I just pop the little pieces out, has little bump out pieces and spacers as well. Get rid of all of that. One of these can be the bottom and one of these can be the top of our lantern. This one's going to be the bottom. I just removed the hanger from it, left the bottom in there. I don't care that it has dog print on it. For the top one, I need to open it up so that my solar light can charge properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and bust out the back of that, which was actually really easy to do with just a hammer. Now for the sides of the lantern, I'm going to use this wood stake that I got at Dollar General. Great source of wood. They're in with like the summer, spring stuff. And I'm going to cut this down into 4 7-inch pieces. And then I'm going to put one of those in each corner. So it's kind of like building a table here. I just put some hot glue here on the corners and put my side pieces in. Now, if you want this to be stronger, you could use like a stronger glue, again, like an E6000, maybe a wood glue since this is wood. I'm just going to use hot glue on mine and try to let it set and harden up. And hopefully my Gorilla Glue hot glue will keep this together. So I have a little table there without a top. And I'm going to go ahead and glue that down into this piece. Again, I don't care that there's little dog prints all over that. I'm going to decorate that for spring and summer as well. So I just went ahead and put glue on all the corners and put this in here, letting this sit so that the glue will harden, so it will set up a little bit. You can also reinforce it with some nails or staples if you wanted to. For the bottom, I'm going to fill it up with reindeer moss and also, of course, that jar. So I'm going to glue the jar in place just so it will stay where I want it to be, right in the center. And then I'm going to fill up the rest of it with reindeer moss. If you're worried about your reindeer moss coming out, you could always hot glue that down. I'm just going to go ahead and fill mine up. I think that's fine. And I think that looks really cute. Now for the top, I did want to add a little bit of stability. So what I'm going to do is add a few more pieces of wood. These are the 5-gallon paint stirrer sticks that you can get at Walmart. They're actually really pretty, aren't they? I'm just going to cut down 2 pieces, the width of the lantern, and I'm going to glue these to the top and the sides just to reinforce it and close up the top a little bit, but still allowing my solar light to charge. I'm only going to do like 2 sides of it like that and kind of leave it offset like that. Now it's time to decorate this with flowers for spring and for summer. I got a new toy on Amazon. I did add that to my Amazon shop, linked in the description. It is a hot glue skillet, and I think it works fantastic for flowers and little projects like this. So while that's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and cut off a lot of spring flowers. These are the Dollar Tree. They're called Baby Breath. They're just tiny flowers. I'm also going to add a butterfly off the onion grass from the Dollar Tree in pink. I have a little bit of lavender left over. I think I picked that up at Walmart, but you could always use the one from the Dollar Tree. I want to add a few white flowers as well. kind of using some of the scraps I have from other spring and summer projects that I've done on my channel. And then I have some light pink of the baby's breath as well. And I think that looks really good. We can go ahead and start adding these. The great thing about this hot glue skillet is that you can just dip your little flower stems in there and add it without having to get your hot glue. Again, I love it for projects like this. So far, I haven't burnt myself. So make sure your stems are long enough to be able to dip in there. But I think it works great. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't have a lid. So I'm going to have to DIY something just so I don't get all of the debris from my work desk, my workstation out here in it. I don't want to get it dirty because I leave it kind of off to the side. But I just went all the way around and added those spring flowers, the pinks, the whites, the purples. So pretty for spring. And then I want it to look like a butterfly landed on the top. So I just dip my butterfly in the hot glue as well. And I'm going to attach it here to the top right corner of our little lantern, solar light lantern DIY. And I think this turned out so pretty. I love the colors of it. Let me show you how it turned out. Isn't that so cute? I love it. I love the fact that there's a butterfly on it. There's also a butterfly, attached to the solar light inside. So as you can see, it's really pretty during the daytime. And let me show you how it looks lit up at night. So pretty. I love how it illuminates all of those spring flowers. And you can see the silhouette of that butterfly inside, even though the flutes on the glasses kind of hides it a little bit. But I think this turned out really cute.